Hey, what's going on, everybody? Just now getting to the computer. I did hop into the short on the Nasdaq. We are currently on the 1 minute chart on the left, and then I'm on the 5 minute chart on the right. I did get an alert on TradingView, notification sent to my phone that's saying that price was currently approaching the 200 EMA. And so that's the notification that I got. And so I'm looking for a rejection off this 200 to take the short position. And I am short at 21,674. And I have my stop loss above the highs at 21,702. My target on this, I'm not looking to get much. If anything, probably retest back down to 640s maybe. See if we get down to 640s. I would love for it to get back down to support from the yellow box or where we currently are down to the green box. Support where we are, where we had previously tapped into 1, 2 times before. So we'll see how the trade goes. What I'm looking for here, hopefully we get momentum to the downside. Um, Something clean. I'm not really wanting to see a lot of chop. I'm not really trying to stay in this trade too long. So I'm just trying to see something real clean, real simple set up. So I'm looking for a rejection here. This is the 5 minute chart. There's the rejection I'm looking for on the 5 minute. This is a new candle, a fresh candle, so I'm just gonna wait and see what this candle does. I'm really not gonna rush into anything. I'm just gonna let the trade develop. I am liking what I'm seeing so far. Once again, the reasoning for this position, taking this trade, if you look left, we had a break of this zone. So now it was just coming through the retest again. Had a failure to break higher. We had a wick and then selling momentum. And so I took a sell position. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move my stop loss into profit, making this a risk-free trade. And another thing, if you ever have any questions or any comments or needing to know anything or need help with anything, don't hesitate to comment, reach out, let me know. I'm here to help any way that I can. So I'm here to make this as easy, as simple as possible for everybody. So don't hesitate if you have any questions. Currently up on a trade, liking the way it's playing out. Hopefully we can get back down to support. If not, then I'm good with just taking profit, whatever the market decides to give. Like I said earlier, I don't really look forward to being on a chart all day. I pretty much look for 1 or 2 setups, take trades like this every day, um, then enjoy my day. Find something else, get off the chart. This is the reason why we do this. Get your money, make your money, take your trades, call it a day. Think about it. In reality, I'm up $1,000 in literally 4 minutes. So put that in perspective. $1,000 in 4 minutes. Who wouldn't be happy with that? Okay, I want to take a look on the 1 minute, and I'm going Let's see what price is currently doing on a 1 minute chart. As you can see, we are currently below the 200 EMA. I'm going to move my stop loss. We are currently under the 200 EMA. We had the rejection off of supply on the 1 minute, and hopefully maybe we'll get it to touch back down in demand at 21,520. If not, I'm looking for it to probably go maybe to 560, 580. If not, then I'm just going to manage this trade here at this level, since we have a little bit of support. If we look left, where you see that box where it says short, and so I'm just going to manage this trade. However, I still like the direction we're going. I'm just going to keep a close eye on it. One thing about trading that I will want to tell someone who's willing to listen is the more you can be patient and wait on your setups, the more money you will make. The more patient you are, the money will come. The less time you're in the market, the less mistakes you will make, the less complicated this will be, and the more enjoyable, the more freedom you will have, and the more you will like it. Okay, I'm liking that candle we just got, the close of that 1 minute candle. And hopefully we can have some more selling volume to the downside. Keep it going, ride the wave. You don't always look for home run trades, but when you can catch the beginning of a trend and you just ride it for as long as it lets you. As much as it wants to show you, it wants to keep going in your direction, let it go until it gives you a reason not to. So far, this trade hasn't given me a reason to exit this trade. I haven't seen any signs of why I should get out of this trade. So keep that in mind too. Look what the trade is telling you, and if it shows you a reason to get out, then get out. We have a close of a green candle, so I'm going to simply move my stop loss further into profit just to protect capital. Switch over to the 5 minute chart. I see that we have a nice bearish candle and we have a order block, so I'm liking where I have my stop loss at. Give the trade room to breathe without keeping my stop loss too tight, especially with on Nasdaq. I want to give it a little room to do what it wants to do. Now, after we see this candle turn red, I will be more willing to move it into profit. So now we have that momentum. I'll set it right above this wick and wait till the close of this next candle. This is the part about trading a lot of people don't talk about. It's not sexy, it's not fun, it's not flashy, but this is trading. Most of the time you're just sitting around looking at a screen, watching numbers going up and down. It's not really fun, it's not really exciting, but it is what you make of it. Okay, I just got stopped out. That's my trade for today. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Once again, if you need anything, questions, comments, let me know. Happy to help out any way I can. Catch you guys on the next video.